Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Ancel battery analyzer BST200. Big shout out to Ancel for sending this item for us. They just wanted me to test their, see if it works, see if it doesn't work. So I'll let you guys know on this video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing to likes. It says features: multiple applications, passenger cars and light duty trucks. Test 12-volt batteries rated from 100 to 1100 cca cranking amps. Test multiple battery types: regular, flooded, AGM, flat plates, AGM spiral and gel. Test multiple rating systems: CCA, BCI, CA, MCA, DIN, IEC, EN, SAE. You got standard batteries on the car directly, no need to remove the battery. Detects bad cells. Also, it does detect bad cells. Quick and accurate test results on display. Says 3 seconds. Does not emit light, heat, or spark. Discharge battery. Keeps operation for normal safe levels of users. Automatic temperature compensation. Ripple voltage test for easy intuitive check of faults. Extremely easy to use with large backlight LCD display and menu driven operation. Multilingual menu and test results: English, French, German, Italian, Polish, Portuguese, Russian and Spanish. Got some instruction. Alright, got the battery tester. Pretty nice. So everything's plastic. Says 12-volt battery analyzer BST200. It says rated input 6 to 18 volts DC. Operating temperature minus 20 Celsius, 60 Celsius. Storage temperature 20 Celsius to 70 Celsius. Got a serial number there. You got some buttons here, maybe some basic buttons, I believe, and it's the battery to operate. So let's take this outside and see what's up. Alright, we got the Ancel here. We're going to connect it to this battery, see what it does. Alright, so this battery is actually giving me, this car is actually giving me problems starting. I believe the battery is good, so we'll test this out. Alright, so we connected there. Got, I don't know if you guys can see that. It says 12.79 volts, so I guess. Says battery test. Enter. Out of vehicle, in vehicle. So I'll just put out of vehicle. It says gel AGM, so I'll just put regular. Cranking amps. Please wait. It says volts 12.79, measured 491 cranking amps, rated at 500 cranking amps. So overall stage is pretty good, I guess. SOH is 82%, SOC is 100%, RES we got 6.33 MR. So I don't know what that means. I'm not a battery guru here, or pro or geek, however you want to say. Alright, it says view results. Yeah, that's pretty much what we just went over. Go back. It says language. You can select different languages. You got version info. That's their version. So pretty simple little tool, guys. Seems like it does work pretty good. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.